What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here, and today I'm back to give you guys an early look at the Air Jordan 6 Retro in the Chinese New Year colorway. First off, just want to give a huge thank you to Jordan Brand for hooking me up with these shoes early. So I came home the other day and waiting for me was a package. I had no idea that they were sending me this pair, so thank you guys so much. So once again, these Jordan 6s are celebrating the upcoming Chinese New Year or Lunar New Year for all you non-Chinese people that do celebrate the same holiday. So the official colorway for this shoe is black, metallic gold, and multicolor, and they're set to release this coming Saturday, February 3rd, for a US retail price of $250 and a retail price here in Canada of $330. So right off the bat, if I had to describe these Jordan 6s in only one word, I'd probably say that these are eclectic. These are loud, these are funky, and these are out there. So the base layer of this shoe, which you can see along this toe box area, this is made up of nubuck done in black. Overlaid on top of this nubuck is what Jordan Brand is calling taffeta fabric. So I'm not exactly sure what this is, but to the touch, it sort of has like a rough, silky, or nylon feel to it. And then printed directly onto this taffeta fabric is images of fireworks done in a combination of red and gold, and then they also have these embroidered metallic gold flowers found throughout. On the lateral side of the back heel, we have this embroidery of this red, white, and green flower, and then taking a look at the back heel, we have this Jumpman Air logo embroidered in gold. Similar to all your other Jordan 6s, these also come with this TPU heel pull tab done in black with this accent line of gold. The bottom half of the tongue is done in black neoprene, and then overlaid on top of this, we have the black laces, and then found midway through the tongue, we have this shroud done in black with this metallic gold Jumpman, and the top of the tongue has this rubbery feel to it, and it has this Air Jordan branding found at the very top. To give it that extra pop, we have these metallic gold lace locks that has this Jumpman logo found in the center. The inner liner of this shoe is done in black, and then these come with this removable insole done in red with a Jumpman logo found on the heel. These Jordan 6s sit atop this foam midsole done primarily in black, but there are accents of metallic gold paint found on the forefoot as well as on the back heel. Of course, the midsole also has this cutaway along the back heel that exposes the air bubble cushioning found within the shoe. As we take a look at the bottom of the shoe, here we have your standard Air Jordan 6 outsole. This is primarily done in black rubber. We also have this circular traction pattern along the forefoot that's standard across all your Jordan 6s. Then we also have these milky white accents found on both the forefoot and the bottom heel of the outsole, and it's finished off with this red Jumpman found in the center. In terms of sizing, so these fit the same to me as all my other Jordan 6s, so I'd recommend sticking with that same size. So for reference sake, I wear between a size 10 and a 10.5. I got these in a size 10 and they fit me perfectly. Comfort wise, so there's not that much that needs to be said about comfort on the Jordan 6 model. So generally speaking, and this model included, they're not that comfortable, but I wouldn't say that they're uncomfortable by any means as well. Obviously, this is more of a lifestyle and fashion statement piece as opposed to a shoe that you're going to be wearing for the comfort specifically. So now let me lace up these Chinese New Year Jordan 6s and show you guys how they look on feet. Overall, I really do like the colors and the concept of the shoe, but in terms of how it fits with my aesthetic, this is a shoe that's a little bit loud and a little bit out there. That's not to say that it's a shoe that won't fit your personal aesthetic, but for me, I don't know how well or how easily I can pull off a shoe that has floral print found all over. As far as the quality of the build goes, I know this is a bit more on the higher end in terms of the pricing of Jordans. The material quality seemed pretty decent and pretty substantial, and just yeah, overall there was no noticeable issues with my pair. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these Chinese New Year Jordan 6s. I'm really curious to see if you guys love it, if you guys hate it, or if it's somewhere in between. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button down below as well, and give me a follow on my Instagram at SGO8. Before I sign off, just want to give one final thank you to the folks at Jordan Brand for hooking me up with this shoe early. So once again, these do drop this coming Saturday, so if you are interested in picking up a pair, be sure to get one this coming weekend. So until next time, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.